Where's mommy?
I did it again.
You want to do it again? Did you have fun?
I did fine all the way until the bottom. Then I kept wiping out the
That's good.
Hi.
I did it again.
Do it again? Did you have fun?
I did it again.
Okay, where's mommy? Let's tell mommy to come on. Where's mommy?
Come on, Mommy.
What happened to mommy?
Wiped out. Kieran, how old are you?
3.
You're 3, and what are you doing?
I'm rested and I'm in myself.
You're skiing all by yourself.
You're skiing.
Kieran is skiing all by himself. Are you skiing, Kieran?
There's mommy. Ask mommy, what happened to mommy? Kieran, what happened to mommy?
It was fun.
Oh gosh, you were so excited. You're so happy.
He wants to go. Where's Nicole?
I did it again.
That's because everyone carries you. Why don't you guys go now?
Yeah.
On like an actual...
That's what we're going to do.
Run.
But he wants to go again.
Well, I can play around in here or something. But you won't be able